What's going on, Seattle? My name is Macklemore.
Oh, maybe I can stay
I'm here with my friends
here.
Ryan Lewis,
Let's see.
Mr. Andrew Jocelyn, or Arunga,
Yes.
and Zach Fleury, and we're gonna make some music for you guys. Is that
Oh,
okay?
yeah, I can smell it.
Okay, I hear that. Let's go.
Northwest, making you feel the vibe.
This one's called The Town.
This is my thing.
Come to my side.
I mean, I like how y'all do.
It's about Seattle,
Put it down for the town.
the Northwest hip hop community,
Making you feel the vibe.
Check how Seattle do.
and we pay tribute to those that came before us.
One time. Put it down for the
Alright,
town.
let's have some fun. Now when I say 2-0, you say, nah, you know the rest. This is our scene, it's our music, our movement, the history lives through us. I write to the beat and let life play the guitar strings. Despite the drama, there's respect, camaraderie. Every time one of my friends is mentioned in my philosophy, it's a rite of passage. I'm not trying to be corny, I got love for sport and life. Alpha P, mass line to Henri. Every time somebody steps out on the road, they bring a little Northwest soul with them, amen. Alright then, just so you know, I try to carry that every time that I rock a show. So, turn my sound up, ricochet off a mountain. It's good medicine that Chief Self would have been proud of. This is our city, town, pride, heart, blood, sweat, tears, I-5, north, south side, vibe live. Ride down these city blocks, and never will we stop. They're trying to shut down the clubs that my city rocks. Now, Mr. Mayor, why would you enforce an ordinance? Music, it saves lives. These kids out here are supporting it. And through the art form, we've learned the importance of community, truth to the youth, so they know what's up. As a public school student, I learned from my teachers, but became through my music. That's vital. 14 fathoms deep, do the math. Tribal. My greatest teachers, be self-invited. Word Sarah was my mayor, and things have changed. But I carry a torch, and what I do with that flame is lit every time that I step on the stage. The skyline is etched in my veins. You can never put that out, no matter how hard it rains. In my
Northwest, making you feel the vibe.
Check how